So I've been playing with the idle this morning, adjusting linkages, some mixture changes and whatnot. Right now it's sitting at about between 700 and 750 RPM, just about as happy as it can be. I've still got a little bit of smoke here, so I'm not 100% sure what's going on there. There was some question, well, what happens with the throttle? Well, the little throttle is very linear. No problems at all there, right? So this is that whole multi-map thing that I've maybe talked about, right? All these cylinders have their own map sensor. Each cylinder gets its mixture automatically corrected. I've got control on the ECU, so based on map, every cylinder gets its mixture corrected. And what a lot of people do, they make this mistake. They use a common plenum with these ITB setups. And when you do that, for every one cylinder that's pulling vacuum, you've got 3 more cylinders that are just vacuum leaks. The bigger the hose you use, the worse the vacuum leak. You get rid of those linkages and use a separate setup like I have here, it doesn't do that. So this is an ITB setup with 54 millimeter ITBs on this tiny little engine, but there's no off idle issue, there's no stumbling, there's no surging, there's none of that. It just sits here happy as a clam at 750 RPM on an engine that red lines at 11. So cams are, it's cammed and headered and tuned and whatnot. It should peak right around 9,500 RPM, something like that. So I would call this a success.